What's up everyone and welcome to you on the Moonchart YouTube channel. Hope that you're all doing very well as always. And yeah, we're going to just plan the possible next move here by using Elliott Wave. I'm using Elliott Wave for more than 5 years for people that are following me that know it. But yeah, so I'm going to plan everything here clearly with you, but on a smaller time frame, not on a bigger time frame as we have done yesterday. We covered the bigger time frame possibilities. Now we're going to cover the smaller time frame ones. Okay, so hope that you're ready. As always, don't forget to smash that like, subscribe to the channel, to turn on notifications. This is very important to support the channel, to support the work here. And by the way, if you want to support the channel and to get some bonus, by the way, you can absolutely go and check out the link in the description. Check out the PRIMEXBT link here. You also have some Bitget link right here. But yeah, on the PRIMEXBT here, you will get up to 7,000 deposit bonus by making an account with the link in the description, by verifying your account from your email. You have to go in the promo code section, bam, enter the promo code, activate, and we get up to 7,000 deposit bonus. Pretty cool. And of course, by doing this, you can also support the channel. So anyway, let's start with this. So bam, just gonna go right there, train waypoint right here. So yeah, we're going to cover here the lower time frame possibilities. Okay, so here what we plan is today. So first we have this possible wave 1, 2 bigger one, or A, B, C zigzag. Okay, so here in that case, bam, A, B, C, because we have a 5 ways correction, in that case 5 ways. Okay, so we have this possibility, or the wave 1, 2 a bit later. Okay, right here, in that case we're going to look for something even more bullish. We're going to look for another wave, bam for another wave 1, for another wave 2 retracement, for another wave 3, 4, 5. Okay, and once we have done is in the case a wave 5 top will be in. It depends really which scenario we confirm, but we do have to trade with both. Only time will tell us, and only time will confirm us this. Okay, that's why we have to trade with both. And to trade this, I personally trade with and based off the order flow. For example, yesterday we got a very good long trade, a very good long setup here. Bam from the very low on Bitcoin here. I just say to my team here, we also have a possibility on Ethereum. It's in the support right now. If Bitcoin get a long setup, we're going to get it. And so we got this very good long trade here. Okay, we're going to cover of course the lower time frame stuff, but here also on Ethereum, on Bitcoin here, also if you head down on PRIMEXBT here, you can see very good long from the very low of the move. That's pretty cool. So yeah, we're going to cover everything. So anyway, let's start with this. So first, here, yeah, I'm not going to cover the bigger time frame. So wave 5 top can be in, or we can look for a bigger wave 5, for a bigger wave 1, 2 next, or for a bigger wave 1, 2 now. It depends really if the wave 5 top is in or not. This only time will tell us, but we're going to see that in any case a lower time frame. This is what we're going to cover more today. Okay, now you have the bigger time frame. If you don't know about the bigger time frame, go and check out the yesterday update. You're going to get all the informations. Okay, anyway, let's go on the 1 hour here and see what we plan here, and what we can look for here. First of all, what do we have here to the downside? Okay, here to the downside, the very low by the way is here and not here. That's a scam wick we have on Coinbase, okay, to be aware of. So here what we have to the downside, we have a W, X, and a Y right here. Can a Y leg finish with a WXY? No, it's not possible. So in that case, are we going to take the Y leg bottom here? No, because it is not possible. So we have to look for another bigger pan. So what can be the different possible pans? It can be simply a W right here, W, X, Y, X, and Z. Okay, with the ABC example we planned yesterday with VAP. So A, B, C is how we have been able to long. In that case, the X wave here cannot break the first X wave top. Okay, that is the first possibility here. In that case, the second X top cannot break the first X top. Okay, if we do, this is not valid anymore. And what we can take next in that case, if we have a double XY before, in that case we can take simply a triangle. Okay, so in that case we take the A, B, C, D, E triangle, and so next, bam, we can look for the Y leg to be done. Next, if we have to be bearish, we can look in that case for a bigger triple wave, WXY, or an ABC flat, so A, B, C flat. Okay, and if we're bullish, we're going to look for the wave 2 bottom of this wave 1, you know, the wave 2 here, and bam, the wave 305 and just pump it up. Okay, so yeah, this is the second possibility here in the lower time frame, and the third possibility is an ABC flat, so A, B, C flat. Okay, in that case we just have to pull the retracement here, add the flat target, so 90% for a regular flat. Oops, not this one, flat right here. 90% for a regular flat, 105 for a possible swing power price high, 113 for the stock market, but that can play out on the crypto market, and the crypto market normally have more chance to retrace into the 124 and 27. Okay, in that case we should see a C wave of this ABC zigzag. Okay, going a lot higher. By the way, how I placed this? Yeah, not well. Boom, perfect. This is better now. So yeah, this is a plan right now. Okay, this is so the 3 different plans, the more likely ones we can get on Bitcoin. Okay, so you just have to trade them, the targets with the order flow. This is the only thing you have to do. Okay, so yeah, from here, so I'm just gonna go here in the trend monitoring right here. Right there. Yesterday I just said to my team right here, as you can see, so main idea at the moment, team still a risky context, so risky to take trades, but this is the most probable with all the configuration. So this was for a possible swing trade idea, okay, with, you know, the possible A, B, C flat, or the possible W, X, Y, X, and Z here with the A, B, C zigzag. Okay, so you can open directly here a swing trade, a swing long trade with stop loss placed below that low because of the full invalidation of the wave. That's why pretty cool Elliott wave, because you can get your invalidation, so your stop loss. Then you just have to get the risk management, you have to know the quantity you're going to use, and you can get this from your broker, from your exchange. You have a calculator to find the possible quantity you have to use for the maximum loss. Otherwise you risk maximum 2%, and if this is a very risky context, you can risk, for example, maybe 1% of your wallet account. It's really up to you. So from here, recognize this, as I say to my team, if for a good long entry, wait for the path control support to be hit minimum, so to speak. Here is a path control, and otherwise wait for the value, otherwise just wait for the value low, low if there is nothing good of the path control. And if we have to push high directly, just wait for the current value are high and the daily resistance to be reclaimed. So value are high and the daily resistance here, we did not reclaim here. We got a flip to resistance with a lot of trapped longs, by the way, everywhere. I mean, a lot of trapped trades. And so yeah, at the end, bam, we got a possible bullish divergence, but nothing good for a long trade. You got an empty, an empty short reaction from that very top here. Okay, so that was a bit more bearish than bullish, but it depends here if you have something good to reverse. We got nothing good to reverse, so we have done the move to the downside, and at the end we recognize the possible 2 more likely targets for a long trade: 1618 of the wave 5 or 261 point of the wave 5. The more likely one for me personally will do, because next week we have no real support with the levels. So if you just go on the chart here, you can see it on the 1 minute. Let me check at this. So it was a 5 ways here. Okay, so we got this A, B, C zigzag, okay, right here. And so from here you just have to pull your fib from the wave 1 root, okay, right here, if I can, bam, to the wave 1 bottom, to the wave 4 retracement. As you can see here, bam, 1618, 261 point, and from the 161 here we got a bounce. So first bounce, second bounce, and from the second retest here we got the MC long reaction, perfect reaction on the order flow. Order flow is this, okay, right here we got an MC long reaction here on the very low, so that this is what we need to take to open the trade really. And if you pay attention, we also got some nice trapped trades here. Against you have 6.4 millions of people showing here, that bring us with absorption, with a low, higher low, low, lower low. So we have absorption there with all the shorts coming here. Next we have the MC reaction here to take the long trade. Okay, so pretty cool, not gonna lie. So yeah, these are the possibilities, and so now yeah, we just have to add to speak. We just have to add, bam, bam, bam. Just gonna remove the 3 different possibilities, okay, from the chart. Gonna remove also this 1-to-1 extension right there, bam, bam, bam. 1-to-1 extension, gonna remove this, and so these are all the possibilities. So triangle, okay, so WXY and Z first, WXY X and Z. Okay, so in that case we're just going to take that low minimum, or do a truncated stop before, but this is less probable to do this. Otherwise, A, B, C, D, E triangle to finish the Y leg, then bam, get a rise, you know, for the bigger WXY, A, B, C flat, or the wave 2 bomb is in of this wave 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, pump it up. Okay, and if we're not in this configuration with a triangle here, we can look simply for an A, B, C flat. Okay, these are the 3 configurations we have to be aware of on the lower time frame right now on Bitcoin. The main idea is now we just have to trade the targets with the order flow. Okay, so how can you trade this? You just have to add your target, so to speak, the ABC zigzag target. So from the A wave route, you place your extension tool. If you want to get, of course, more details about how to use the extension tool, what values, how to trade, for example, how to use the extension tool, the retracement tool, what are the ABC zigzag, ABC flat, you can go on our website, mooncharts.fr right here. If I can show you this right there, you have all the course clear on Elliott Wave. You have the basic Elliott Wave rules, Fibonacci relation, ABC flat, ABC exam. You have the 3 courses for free on the website. Then you have the ABCD, triangle, leading, endings, Elliott Wave, and the RSI, and you have some quiz on every single pants. So to just test your knowledge after this, you have also an amount of live TA. For example, if you go in a bonus content here, you have a lot of content here that you can use. For example, here Elliott Wave analysis, you have a lot of Elliott Wave analysis here, so you can meet doing some charting live. You have 2 pages here, you can see all of this, so you can really get a full knowledge with me charting. You have some Q&A, useful stuff, you have some other course, bam, bam, bam. That's the VIP question, but you have also the Excel charts course. So for example, with the MC reaction here, you have the long and short trade data, MC reaction, and if you don't get the MC reaction, how to still take a trade when you get bad data on the order flow. You have a very, very, very nice course on the website, very good. Go and check this out if you want. Yeah, that's very, very cool, to be honest. But anyway, so right here, so yeah, what you have to do here is just to pull your extension tool. So from the A wave root to the A wave top right here, bam bam bam, to the B bottom. Okay, from here what you have to do is just to add your wave, C wave targets. Okay, I'm just going to remove the ABC flat targets here. So first 6.8, that fib is never well touched, so it's absolutely fine to go higher and then retrace. Okay, that's something to be aware of. So this, for example, bam, is the first target to look for a short trade. Do we have anything good for a short trade on the order flow? That's something I'll let you do. That's something I'm letting you know most of the time with the VIPs. Okay, such as yesterday, for example, I just said to my team, bam, 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 on the very low right there. Where is this? Yeah, from the turret series to turret we plan with Elliott Wave, I just say, hey, if we get an MC reaction from these green squares, it's a long team. If no MC reaction, there is just no trade. Just remain patient, wait for the next target, clearly. Okay, or for an invalidation of the scenario. But in any case, we just recognize that we didn't got any trades. Okay, so from here we got an MC reaction from the first target on the second retest here. Pretty cool. So that's a long trade. Stop loss below the low, and yeah, bring us with these very nice longs on Ethereum and Bitcoin, by the way. Yeah, but bam bam bam. So from here, oops, right here, so 6.8 first target, then second target, bam, 120 extension, third target 123, and fourth target right here is a 1618. Okay, so these are all the targets we have to be aware of. We have some confidence with every single target of this fib. Okay, so every single target is a good to trade. Okay, it's very, very good to trade. Now the only thing you have to do is to just check the order flow and see if we get something good for a trade or not. This is the only thing you have to do. It's a bit complex to understand, but again, you have everything on the website, so feel free to go and check this out. And yeah, now this is the only thing we have to do really at the moment. Okay, so yeah, main idea for now until we get an invalidation, W, X, Y, X, and Z. As you can see here, we cannot go to the 120 extension because otherwise we break the first X wave top, so it's not possible. Okay. And so yeah, the first target is here, so maybe the top is in, depending what reaction we have here. And then, so Z wave to Z down, so we take out the low. How to place, by the way, the extension tool for the W, X, Y, X, and Z. You just place first on the W, second on the W root, second on the W bottom, and thirdly on the second X top. This is the only thing you have to do. Then you just have to add your 6.8, 120 extension, 123, and 6.8. Okay, if you push higher, be aware of the possible A, B, C, D, E triangle, as I said earlier, and the third possibility is just a flat. Okay, so A, B, C, flat. Okay, this is the third possibility. Okay, right here. So yeah, I'll let you just now trade this. Okay, I'm gonna keep the VIP information on this, of course, and yeah, don't forget to smash that like, subscribe to the channel, to turn on notifications, very, very important, and write some comments down below, so it's very, very good for the YouTube algorithm. But anyway, I wish you a brilliant day, take care of you, and if you want, by the way, as I said earlier, to get some trading deposit bonus, you can absolutely go on the link just right below in the description, check out this. You can get up to 7,000 deposit bonus just by making a deposit here and using the promo code and everything here. As I said earlier, you can get up to $7,000. It's pretty crazy. If you want also to get another platform, BitGet, you can go on the BitGet link right below in the description. You're going to get some bonus. You can see this right below here. Okay, and yeah, I wish you all a brilliant day. As I said, take care of you, and if you want to get some more updates like this, for example, with all the smaller wave everything, feel free to go and check out our website. You will get all the informations in there. Anyway, have a brilliant day. As I said, take care of you, and see you all in the next one. Cheers.